our friends at Entertainment Weekly to bring you all the stars of your favorite movies and TV shows back together again. You're going to love this one. The Waltons reunited more than 3 decades after their last show. GMA's Cam Matheson sat down with the stars.
It was the show that brought us heart and family like no other every Thursday night at 8.
Good night, everybody.
The entire cast gathered at the Entertainment Weekly photo shoot, led by Mom, Mrs. Walton, Michael Learned.
This is really the first time that we've all been together.
Now, just a minute here.
32 years after leaving the air, Olivia and John Walton, John Boy, Mary Ellen, Jason, Ben, Aaron, Jim Bob, and Elizabeth. What do you think the closest thing that we have right now on air in original production? True Blood. That's close. That is the closest to the Waltons. True Blood. Dexter and True Blood. Joking aside, the Waltons dealt with some very real issues.
Just the freaks that go. You see, it's the dreams. We dealt with segregation. We dealt with the book burning. We dealt with racism. Jewish people coming over to the United States at the beginning of the war.
One of the most moving scenes to watch is in the episode about the book burning.
And if you burn this book, then you can't know about it. And you had your freedom taken away from you. You understand me?
You know, the same thing with the house burning down. You know, we all stood out in the yard and watched the house burn and sobbed. You know, and there was no acting. You know, I watched my brother run back into the house and wondered if my sister was still in there. And, you know, it was just like it was so real.
Tammy cried because she thought Richard and I were really in the house, but it was part of the story.
Playing the father on the Waltons reminded me what it meant to be a father and a husband. I stopped drinking after a couple of months. All kinds of things changed.
This was having a life together for years and caring about each other. And it's hard for me to even think about it without getting all worked up.
I can't stop crying. Let me just give an ode to Richard, who was the star of the show and who was, how old were you, 21 years old. And somehow you handled yourself so professionally, and somehow you carried that show at a very young age with great aplomb and graciousness and dignity, and you were marvelous. And I called Ralph the other day and said, Ralph, thank you for being such a good actor, because all I did was react to you. And really, it was him, that love, that exuberance that John Walton had for his wife, which was, I think, so wonderful. We had a wonderful chemistry, all of us. We did. It was very real. And I can't believe I'm this weepy, but...
I thought we'd end our interview like the Waltons did every week.
Good night, John Boy.
Good night, Mama. Good night, Daddy.
Good night, John Boy. Good night, Judy. No.
He still doesn't know our names after all these years.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, Daddy. Good night, Aaron. Good night, Elizabeth. Good night, Mary Ellen.
Good night, Aaron. Good night, Ben.
Good night, Mary Ellen.
Good night, Jason. Good night, Ben. Good night, Jim Bob. Good night, Jason. Good night, Mom.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Best close to the show ever. Oh,